Hello guys, this is Mack Doyle Fire Alarm 19 and I got a Notifier NBG12L and I got it today, so it's pretty cool. And I have a Notifier NBG1. It's pretty good fire alarm because I just tested it out, pretty cool. So this is the one I just wanted for Christmas and it's pretty good. And right here is my Wheelock AS-24-MCW. It's one of my fire alarms from St. Francis High School, East Bethel Elementary School, Cedar Creek Community School, and Bethel University, St. John the Baptist, St. Patrick's, and including the Heritage Hall. So tonight, I'm going to test out the NBG1R. So we'll test her out. So otherwise we could start the BG12. See, it's my key right here. Oops. Yeah, darn it. Otherwise it could here we go. 3, 2, 1. And we reset it. It said activated. Then we'll actually so when I reset it from here, right here, and switch that to, and it's back to normal. So it's pretty good fire alarm, I guess. This fire alarm right here, Notifier Fire Systems, and thank you for that. And I got NBG1R, and I'm gonna test it out. So we'll get it done real quick, and here we go. So you could barely see the end of it, and when you reset the key, here it is. Got it right here. So stupid key. Here we go. That's it. So, and I'll probably test out my Wheelock AS when I'm at my apartment this year, because if I don't know yet, because if there's one apartment available, but not sure yet. So I'll just keep posting it, and then probably getting our fire alarm. I already got a Gentex Commander 3 coming next week. So that's all I got, and thank you.